penny and a half penny out of this hole, but I'm just using the probe, and there's more down here, so it's not bad find. There it is, look at that. 3 in one hole. You don't get better than that. The other one was a 1950 and a 1951 half penny and a 50 penny. What's this one? 1952, I think. Okay, I just picked up 2 pennies, a 1932 and a 1939. Now, it's in the same spot here. I'm in the olive groves, and hopefully I found another one, and it's a 1930 penny. So we've got a 1045, 1145, a real strong signal. So it should be that. It should be a penny. So we'll try it out. It's about 3 inches down. So hopefully this is the spot here. It's gone already slightly. Let's get the probe. It's just over here. There it is. There it is. Have a look at that. Oh, beautiful. Let's see what date it is. It's come up as a 1242. I just dug that out of the hole. Some sort of brass copper plate. Might belong on a trophy or something, I think. So I'll clean that up. That'll be great. Another great find here at the parklands in Adelaide. Okay, just in the parkland from an old soccer club here, and had a nice 1246. I just put it back in the hole, but I just cleaned it up. A beautiful, nice silver ring, and I'm stoked with this one. It's got the silver symbol inside, so this is a ridgy didge. Good find. This plug out, and look at this, a little ripper, the dog tag. This is what you want. It's a 1918 to June 1919 dog tag. Rego number 56. District 51. What a ripper.